Hello, dear students. And this part we are going to discuss about certain properties of different states of matter. So, as we all know that we from smaller classes we already discussed about what are the different states. We might have studied about the different states of matter, the different states in which the matter exists around you. So we are familiar with water. The famous example, the water. Water is available in the form of solid state ice cream. You can see solid ice cubes. Then at the same time, water is available just like the drinking water. And similarly, if you heat water, what will happen? You might have seen uh, water will evaporate, and it will get converted into steam. Or else you can look at the sky. You can see clouds there. So clouds are actually water vapor that are being evaporated from the land as well as sea. So these are different states of matter. So in this session, we will be discussing about the states of matter. So there are three different states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. So, what are the specialities? What are the specialities of solid state, or what are the specialities of liquid state or gaseous state? So, this we will discuss in a short here. So, when you consider solid, say for example, I have got a solid duster with me. So, so if you look at it has got a definite boundary, is it? It has got definite boundary. It has got a fixed shape. That's the first one. Solids, especially when you discuss about the properties of solids, it has got definite shape and size, and it has got fixed volume. So if you apply little more amount of force, even then you cannot compress it. So that is called compressibility. You cannot compress this particular compressibility of solid is very less. Suppose if you take iron nail or stone piece. So if you apply force over this iron nail and this stone piece, these are in solid state, the matter in solid state. So if you apply, we cannot compress them. So, and similarly, these have got high density. Density means what? It's the ratio between mass upon volume. It's a how much amount of matter is present per unit volume of that particular subject. So that is called uh, density. You can see that. And similarly, space between the matter. So in solid state, why this particular solid particle? So why the solid state, the matter in solid state, why it has got a particular definite shape and size, less compressibility as well as high density, is because the particles of matter in the solid state are very closely packed. They are very closely packed, as you can see here. They are tightly packed together, as well as these particles, they attract each other with very high force. That's the reason why all these properties are shown by solid state. Now let us go to liquid state. So in liquid state, water, suppose if you just take a spoon and if you can stir water that is contained in present in a beaker. So with the same force you cannot move spoon through ice cubes. See, in liquid state, what is happening? Liquid state, the particles of matter, they are free to move. So, if you want to store, you need to store the liquid in a container. So, you require a container, otherwise, you cannot store water. Suppose if you take some amount of water in your palm, so what will happen after some day? It will drain out. So, that means what it has got a tendency to flow. So, that is called fluidity. So, particles of liquid as well as gas, they tend to flow from one place to another place. So, that is why they are known as fluids, or the something which flows, that is known as fluids. Then, so similarly, we require a container. Suppose if you take an example of water bottle, so if it has got a small hole at the bottom, what will happen? The water will drain out. And similarly, if you take an example, say if you uh, inflate a balloon, and if you tie the knot at the mouth, so air will, the particles of air will remain in the balloon. Suppose if we just give a cork with pin, if you strike it with a small pin, what happens? Uh, the gas will, the gas particles will escape out into the air. So in order to hold gases, so we need to have an enclosed container. Then only we will be able to store gas molecules. So as we can see, so fumes or smoke that are coming out of fire and all. So this will not stay at one particular place. Or we can see the clouds. Look at the clouds. So it will be moving from one place to another place. So similarly, this the general property of these two states, liquid as well as gas. These are they particles have got the tendency to flow. They have got a tendency to flow or move from one place to another. So that's why they in your container, especially container, and they do not have particular shape. So it will tend to take the shape of the container in which it is stored. And you can see, suppose different vessel. If you store water in different vessels, the liquid which is stored in it will take the shape of the container in which it is stored. So these are due to the reason why the particles of matter are not so well packed, not so well packed or not so closely packed. So they are free to move. There are lot of space between them. That's why uh, they can move with relation to each other, and there exists very less amount of force as compared to this iron nail. So iron nail which is in solid state, so if you keep iron nail, so it will remain there itself. Suppose for example, if you take some amount of water and keep somewhere, you require a particular container. Even if you keep this iron nail within this container, the shape and size of the iron nail will remain as it is. Here you can see it has got not definite size. Water, the liquids, especially liquids, it has got no definite size, just as the solid. Then, uh, but it takes the shape of the container in which it is stored. So this is the reason. The reason is that uh, the particles of matter of liquid state are far away. And similarly, there is just very less force of attraction. So they can diffuse. So similarly, you can see water, how the fishes are living in water. So uh, slowly, the atmospheric oxygen and carbon dioxide, all these things that will get dissolved in what water. So the dissolved oxygen that is present in the water, so that will help the organisms, fishes, and certain plants. So spirogyra. These are all able to survive because of the oxygen that gets dissolved or diffused into the water. And similarly, the density of water or especially liquids is are less. And similarly, compressibility. Liquids we can compress at certain extent. And about space, the last thing is space between them is somewhat more compared to that of the liquid. And when you look at the gaseous state, as we know that they do not have definite shape and size. They do not have definite shape and size. And see, density of gases will be much lesser compared to that of liquids and solids. So since they have got very less number of particles in a particular definite volume, or we can say that the particles are so scattered or they are very wide enough so that they can move randomly. They are moving randomly always with very high speed. So that's why what they it requires, you need an enclosed container in order to store gases. Example: oxygen, hydrogen, helium. You might have seen helium balloons or hydrogen balloons, helium balloons that will float in air. So that's the reason it has got less density as compared to that of air. So that will float in air. So that is used for weather reports and so on. Say similarly, then you can see compressibility, LPG gas. So which is Actually, gas that is coming in the form of liquefied petroleum gas, LPG gas, that is coming in the form into your house as cylinders, LPG cylinders, gas. So there actually what we are doing, we are compressing the gas, compressing the natural gas, uh, applying pressure and decreasing temperature. So what happens? These gas particles will come closer and closer, and as a result, they will get converted into liquid form. So LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, that what we are getting through our cylinders at our home. We are using it for cooking and all purposes. See here you can see uh, gas. So once you open the door, so it will be released in the form of acid, decrease in pressure. So it will get again converted into gaseous state. And similarly, you can see, and why it is required? See why this particular gas, the particles of matter in gaseous state, why they do not have any fixed shape and size. The particles of matter has got a very large space between them, very large space, intermolecular space or interparticular space is very high in the case of gases. So that's why they exhibit this kind of properties. So they are fluid. They are fluids. They are known as fluid. So they have got. They can move very fast from one place to another place very easily. So okay. So these are certain general properties of states of matter. In addition to these states, we have got also got plasma state and also Bose-Einstein condensate. Plasma state in which the particles exist in the form of ions and superexcited particles, especially that you can see in sun and stars. And Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate. BEC. Bose, he was an Indian scientist, Satyendra Bose, and Einstein. You may know Albert Einstein, proposer of general theory of relativity. Then condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate. That means it's a state in which uh, matter can exist. So recently, studies have proved that this particular states of matter also existing. So this is happening when we cool certain low density gases at very low temperature at minus 273 or 200 degrees Celsius. What happens is light gases will combine together. These light gases will combine together and they will unite to form a single uh, atom. So in such state, that is called Bose-Einstein condensate, about which you will study more in higher classes. Okay, I hope you understood this particular part of the lesson. So feel free to ask any doubts related to these topics. Though this part we already covered for the previous examination. So even then, if you have got any particular doubts, so I'm just repeating it. So even if you keep it in your mind, revise it well, no problem. The next lessons that will be uploaded soon. So go through it and study well and stay safe. Okay.